Hello, my dear friends. Today I'm gonna discuss with you how to solve this nice Olympiad question. This is how I'm gonna solve this one. So you have been given this equation and you have been asked to find the value for x. So first of all, I'm gonna rewrite this equation taking this 3 into left side. So x minus 9 over 2023 plus x minus 8 over 2024 plus x minus 7 over 2025 minus 3 equal 0. Then I will rewrite this equation as follow: s minus 9 over 2023 minus 1 plus x minus 8 over 2024 minus 1 plus x minus 7 over 2025 minus 1 equals 0. You can see that both equations are same: minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 3. So I'm going to simplify this equation as follow. I will take these two parts, these two parts, and these two parts separately. If I solve these two parts, it will become x minus 9 minus 2023 over 2023 plus then these two parts will become x minus 8 minus 2024 over 2024 plus these two parts become x minus 7 minus 2025 over 2025 equal 0. I will simplify further. X minus 2023 minus 9 will become minus 2032 over 2023 plus here minus 8 minus 2024, it will become x minus 2032 over 2024 plus again minus 7 minus 2025, x minus 2032 over 2025 equal 0. Now you can see x minus 2032 is a common factor. I will take x minus 2032 common factor out from the whole expression. Then it will become 1 over 2023 plus 1 over 2024 plus 1 over 2025 equal 0. Now you can clearly see this part can't be equal to 0. This part is a constant. Then definitely this part x minus 2032 must be equal to 0. Then we can find the final answer x equal 2032. Thank you for watching. Hope you are enjoying solving this math problem.